This video over the last couple of days, and I hope you like it. Now, all these sites along Wilson Creek are free camping. You can stay for up to 14 days if you want. And then if you want to stay longer, I guess you could move a mile or two up the road and stay another 14 days and just keep doing that if you want to stay around here. We're going into Pisgah National Forest to one of our favorite places.
YouTube, Kelly.
Hi everyone. Say hi, Buster.
Are you liking the place here?
I love it. This is like one of my favorite areas to camp in. And it's nice to get a break from a Walmart parking lot or someone else's driveway.
It's almost dark, isn't it? Got the campfire going? Yeah. Till next time, guys.
Hi, we're at Wilson Creek in the Pisgah National Forest, and I'm trying to talk loud because the wind's howling and we have a stream right behind us here that gets kind of loud. There comes the wind again. But I want to show you around here where we're staying, and we're pretty secluded here. This road's about 10 miles long or a little more. And we've only seen an average of 1 car a day since we've been out here. And let's show you some of the stuff around the camp here. Temperatures here have been right around in the mid to upper 30s, and it's supposed to drop down into teens tonight. And the wind's been crazy. We hear trees cracking and worry they're going to fall on us and stuff. But you can see how close we're parked from the van here to the stream. I love watching water flow by. I think it's beautiful. But there are a few different campsites here, and this would be a great area where we are to have like a group come and camp. And the reason that we picked this place is because it gets a lot of sun, and that's good for our solar. I just love this little area. It's like small little waterfalls working their way down. And it goes all the way down like this almost to where our camp is. It's a nice little area. This is another one of the little camps areas they have along here. They're all up and down this road. Some of them you have to walk into. Of course, this one's not very far of a walk. You park right there, you carry your stuff right here, which is right across the road from where we are. Yeah, it looks like it's flurrying again. Oh well, it's been doing this all day, but it's not late. I think tonight we're gonna go and park at Mick's brother's house because we need to wash some clothes and I need to wash my body. And if they say no, well then I'm gonna sit there and they're gonna have to smell me. Well, we're gonna go now. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you come and visit this place sometime. It's a really nice place to come to. And like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment what you think about the place.